So you won't believe I used Capcut to create this kind of video, this particular animation. I'll be showing you guys how to do it right now. Let's start. So come to photos and I import my blue background. You must have two backgrounds for this. First is this blue background and a white background, but we are starting with this blue background. So we change the aspect ratio to this, which is Instagram, and we increase it to full the screen. This animation will just be 10 minutes, 10 seconds. So we just drag it to 10 seconds. And I come here, test, add test, and I type Creative Arts Academy. So come to fonts. I'll be using Rubik. So adjust this. Now on the normal, if you're using CapCut for PC, you can just use this as a compact clip. But since we don't, this is CapCut for mobile, we'll just export this. So export. Now come to new project and select the white background. So add, go back to aspect ratio and use the same aspect ratio. The Instagram, remember to maintain the aspect ratio and we increase this to full the screen. Remove this. So we type the same text. Okay, let's make this 10 seconds. So 10 seconds and come to add text. We type the same thing. Creative Vast Academy. Font should be Rubik and the color. Now the color should be blue. Remember our compact clip, the color was blue, so the color of this should be blue. And then we adjust this. Now the next thing we have to do is click on overlay, add overlay. Now add that compact clip as an overlay. So you just have to increase it, to fit in. So once you make it fit in, go to layers, head over to your layers, and bring this overlay to the back of this test. So we are good to go. And we have this. So next thing is to add keyframe, and head over to mask, select the circle mask. Now reduce it and bring it to this part, to the beginning of this. So move your clip and you move this to center. So move it again and you increase it this way and you move it again. So this time around it decreases. So as you're moving, it's adding the keyframe, and you hover it to this side and you move it again, so it becomes smaller here, and then it moves this way, and you move it here again, it moves over to this eye and you make it smaller. So that's typically, and finally here. So this is how this is being done. Now let's play what we have. So you can see this one self decided to even have style. So this is how it is being done. And if you enjoyed this video, show you